In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve only Chrome audio not working and other apps sound working in your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to resolve this problem, you can try this method. Open Chrome browser, then click on these three dots and here click on Settings, and here click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Site Settings. Then here click on Additional Content Settings. Click on Sound and make sure this first option is selected. Sites can play sound. Now exit. Open your Windows settings. Here click on System, then Sound. Make sure here proper speaker is selected. Make sure volume is up to 100%. So in output and input, we need a proper microphone. If here is the another one, so select proper one and in the volume mixture, make sure it's on and up to 100% in these all options. Also guys, you can try by selecting reset, so it will reset sound devices and volume for all apps to the recommended default. So these are possible way you can try to fix this Chrome problem. Thanks for watching. Comment any method work for you.